Neustar is an information services company involved in the digital marketing area. What we're trying to do is to bring the best possible solutions to customers across all the pieces of the digital marketing cycle through our Platform One product. So that includes activation and data onboarding, as well as measurement and analytics services through our Platform One DMP and market share services.
You guys have some news here about the alliance with Experian. So could you explain sort of what that means and the implications, particularly for brands and advertisers who are, looking to leverage data to be more effective in both, I guess, planning and understanding the impact?
So what we're trying to do is to bring to market a partnership that enables advertisers and any agencies they're working with to basically activate data that they may have, offline data that is, to allow better targeting and better activation of ad campaigns and then better ability to measure by linking back to offline sales and transaction activity.
Tell us what Neustar and Experian are bringing to the market that's different, what the value proposition of this new offering is that's sort of different, and what the implications are of it, the utility of it.
Sure. The idea behind the offering is to basically help marketers to activate the data better through having more scale, higher quality, and more channels of activation. So if you think about CRM records and you think about having a CRM database of best customers or some other example like that, what you're trying to do is to try and find as many of those people in the different channels as possible across cookie, mobile ad ID, or addressable TV. So what we're doing is basically allowing the advertiser to take that data and activate it in the largest possible way through the best possible scale with the highest possible accuracy so you know who you're reaching and across all those different channels. So the main product here is around data onboarding, which is taking that data from the offline world and putting it online to allow you to target it to run more effective ad campaigns. The partnership with Experian allows us to expand the scale and the quality and the reach of that by basically pooling our assets and our resources to do that. So the data typically would be first-party data that they're trying to activate and use. So it might be CRM data, data around customers. It might be data about transactional information or something like that that customers already have and want to bring online and be able to use to leverage for ad campaigns, or alternatively for measurement purposes to figure out whether ad campaigns are working. So I think the challenges for the marketer right now in this particular area is actually trying to get data to activate properly and actually accurately reach their customers. So what we're again trying to do is to basically help them improve that process and solve for that. And then when it comes to measurement or measuring campaigns across all the different channels, you actually need to be able to measure it accurately to get a good readout as to whether something's actually working or not working. So again, what we're trying to do is bring better scale and accuracy to the process to improve that. Sure. So Neustar is helping customers right now with activation in advanced TV through being able to target and match to addressable TV companies, and we've announced a number of partnerships on that recently that enable us to do that, but also to help people measure TV and help them plan TV as well as part of the full cycle. One of the things that this particular partnership brings to market is the potential to do interesting things with cross-channel activation. So you could take an audience, for example, of online users or people who browsed a website and bring them across to TV and activate them in the addressable channel. And that's a capability that we're able to do with the partnership with Experian.